BS6 Java 42, and let's see how it feels like when we ride it. Alright guys, welcome back to the new vlog. And today, as I promised in my last vlog, today we are riding this beautiful Java 42 BS6 2020. Look at this beautiful bike here. Looks so nice in this color. So I'll give you a 360-degree view. And today we are riding this bike. Not much, it is going to be a first ride impression. We'll let you know how it feels like when we ride this bike. And in this model specifically, there are 6 colors to choose from. And now let's talk about briefly. I am not going to go in details about the specifications. So it is a 293cc liquid cooled engine, and the power figures are 26.1 bhp and 27 newton meters of torque. The power and torque has gone down. Power by approximately 0.9 bhp and 1 newton meters of torque has gone down in BS6. This is a dual channel ABS. You get single channel ABS as standard, and front you get the 18-inch, rear 17-inch. Front disc is 280mm, rear disc is 240mm. The front suspension is conventional telescopic suspension, and the rear you have 2 shocks at the back. The seat height is 765mm, fuel tank is 14 liters, and the look is really good. The short riders will have no issue whatsoever in this bike. In my first video about the Java 42, when I talked about this bike, people asked what about this part, will it be having the chrome or not? Guys, this will definitely be having a chrome as a standard. You need not pay extra, so this is going to be there on your bike. Don't worry. The bike looks really nice. The ex-showroom price of this I have already mentioned in my previous vlog. On the screen you can see how much is the ex-showroom price for different colors. Now this is about the specification in general. This is not a review video guys, it is just a first ride impression. So I will ride it for some time and let you know how it feels like when we ride it. So enough of the theory, let's see how it feels like when we ride it. The ignition port is at the lower right side. Okay, first we will check how is the gear shifting, acceleration, clutch, brakes and suspension. These are the things actually I always try to find out whenever I ride any bike. Okay, horn is always like this in all the bikes. Finding a neutral is not a problem. Okay, let's go. So it is a 6-speed transmission. The gear shifting is really smooth. Let's see the lean angle. Wow, you can lean really well on this bike. The control and the grip on the road is really good. You can see how much I am leaning and still it is holding its ground really well. So let's see if quick overtaking is possible. Yeah, very nice. It is a flickable bike, so you can play around in the city very easily. You just need to be in 3rd gear and just ride it. Now let's see how are the brakes. Now we'll take the, oh, very nice brakes, very good brakes here. It really anchored its foots. The brakes are really good here. It is very flickable bike here. Did you see how good the controls are? There are no side rear view mirror. I have to be careful. For the city, if the suspension is on the stiffer side, absolutely no problem, because the roads are pretty good in the city, so you won't need a plush suspension in the city. But if it is there, then it is a plus. So far I am feeling really comfortable on this bike. Suspension wise it is fairly good. It's not really plush like an ADV, but still it is really good. Gear shifting is very critical when we are riding in the city, because you need to shift gears quite often, so your shifting should be smooth to give you a better experience. And in this case I find that the gear shifting is really smooth. I really love the bike overall. The feel is really nice. There are vibrations at the lower RPM. I can feel that on the foot pegs, but they are not bothering me much. You can really lean well on this bike. That's where the bike is really enjoyable. I am really enjoying this bike. It is an amazing bike for the city, guys. There are very less vibrations in this bike. at the lowest speed. On the high speed, absolutely no issues, you won't feel them. Let's go to this side. Did you see how much you can lean on this bike? Acceleration is really good. So first ride impression is pretty good on this bike. This is really an effective city bike. I won't recommend this for touring because I don't know, the seat is slightly stiffer for my liking. At least on a longer ride probably you might have some issues. I don't think that in city it will really be concerning. Look at the flickability of this bike. Wow, you can play around with this bike in the city, yeah. Braking is just superb, yeah. Guys, the braking is really good in this bike, yeah. So overall, clutch operation, gear shifting and acceleration are smooth in this bike. And next is braking. Braking is just amazing, yeah. That's what is needed when you are riding in the city. So you might need to apply sudden brakes, you might need to quickly overtake something, and that's where this bike ticks all the boxes. I feel that this is a very good city bike. Look at the bike's flickability, yeah. Did you see how easy it is to maneuver? Maneuvering in traffic is absolutely no problem. It changes the lane so quickly. It is comfortable. Rider triangle is really nice and relaxed. Seat is little hard. Probably you need to get the ride on air or some cushion for your butts. Otherwise everything else in this bike is really nice. Look at this. Did you see how easy? So if there is a pothole, you want to avoid it immediately. It changes the direction so quickly. Look at that. So you can play with this bike in the city, yeah. Very good little bike. Okay, feels so nice riding this bike, yeah. Alright guys, so this is my first ride impression of Java 42 BS6 2020, and I feel that this bike is really nice for the city use. Everything what actually I always look for in a bike for the city ride is absolutely available in this, and I feel that it is really a good city bike because it ticks almost all the boxes for me. I'm turning at 60 kmph, yeah, really good. And brakes, wow. The braking is amazing, yeah. I have told you more than 5 times that the brakes in this bike is really amazing. Wow.
Yes guys, I really enjoyed riding this bike. It's a fun little bike for the city ride. So now let me share what I really liked about the bike. Number one is the overall styling. It is very minimalistic style and I personally like it. The overall design, the color, paint job and everything is really nice and very appealing to me at least. And second is braking. The braking is really good for this bike. In this category, the braking is really nice. I really felt that the braking is very effective and it works really well. And third thing is a combination of all, the clutch, accelerator and gear shifting. The operation of all these three are really good, very smooth. So this is what I really liked about the bike. Obviously no bike is perfect. In this also, I personally felt that there are few things that can be improved. Number one is an instrument console. I felt that the instrument console is quite basic. Few important information is not available, like gear position indicator. There is no information about this. The readability of the instrument console, something that can really be improved. And second thing is a seat. Seat is very stiff. Seat is little hard for my liking, but it is a very easy fix. And the last and the final is the tires. The tires are the tube tires and I feel that the tubeless tires would have been welcomed. So these are the three things I feel that can be improved in the bike. So this is my personal experience. It can vary definitely from a person to person, and before you put your hard-earned money into this bike, so I would personally recommend that you go to the showroom, watch it personally, ask for a test ride, feel it and then decide if it is really a right fit for you or not. So this is your hard-earned money, so decide wisely, go and test ride, feel the bike and then take a call, and I wish you all the best. I hope आपको ये vlog पसंद आया हो. If you did so, then please give it a like. If you did not like anything, you're free to dislike, but do mention it in the comment section that what is it that you didn't like, and it will help me not to repeat those mistakes again in the next video. और अगर आपने अभी तक subscribe नहीं किया है, then please do subscribe. It is a true validation of my work that really motivates. So with this, I end the vlog here. I hope you guys have enjoyed the vlog, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and ride safe. Bye bye. Take care.